Welcome to Giggle and Learn TV for your kids. Do not forget to subscribe.
Your mom. What a feast you made today, ma'am!
Eat all you want.
Wow, so good! Too bad she's gone.
Her death won't be for nothing! That shark's gonna pay!
Hey, I don't think...
I want him so hard, he turns ugly!
Ugly?
Hey, you hear that?
Back off, bullies!
You wanna fight?
Didn't say...
The octopus.
What octopus?
You're terrible lawyers! Ugh.
Hey, Trollolero, what's back there?
Yeah, it's the new GTA!
The new GTA? I want to see. You won't see a thing. Now go.
I wanna play too!
Ugh, this kid. Is this a joke?
Well, look at that! He ratted himself out! Get him!
I'm such an idiot!
Come here! Oh, hey!
Hey, man, fire! I'm coming! In your face, big guy!
You better scram! Go! No, wait! Go! Grab!
Hang in there, Trollolero!
Hey, little guy! You can't run anymore! I'll end you! I'm done playing!
A dead end!
Gotcha now!
You can't run away! Leave my friend alone!
Stupid idiots!
Oh no! Help! Please, somebody! A giant shark!
Need help?
The shark's chasing me!
There's a shark! So there you are! You can't hide! Leave the kid alone! Fight someone your side! Take this! Don't even try! I'm way faster than that! Lots more where that came from! You think one missile's enough to beat me? I can use your weapons too! No! I'll protect you, kid! Ah! Dang it! Just us again.
I'm out of here! Leave me alone! I'm not food!
I'm not stopping, kid!
Neither am I!
Hey!
Another dead end? I guess no one's here to save me now!
Just accept your fate! Just like your mom!
Hey! Don't talk about my mom! Bully!
Look who's brave now! Don't make me laugh!
Please don't hurt me!
Get away from my son!
You wanna fight?
Mom! You're alive!
I'd never leave you.
How did you manage to cheat death?
That dummy mistook me for a plant.
What an idiot!
Oh, sorry I'm late.
Well, she's the girl of my dreams!
Go take a seat now!
Come sit here!
Come with me. No! What are you doing? She clearly picked me.
She doesn't even know you! No one would pick you!
Oh, boys, don't worry.